Hey guys, do you have a unique property to sell? We've got you. We are here today, Saturday, in downtown Hartford. We have this amazing open house for a historic building. Let's check out inside. Okay, so we're inside on the main floor of this beautiful, historic, mixed-use building. Want to know what we can do for you? A huge open house, open to the public, broadcasted everywhere. We've got an amazing team of agents, and you know what? We source local coffee from stomping grounds. We have amazing pastries. Let's go check those out because I'm hungry. Cinnamon rolls. So do you have a commercial property, a mixed-use building, just a unique property that you want marketed, you want help selling? We have amazing opportunities for you, I promise. We're the people for you. So if you have questions, if you want to learn how we can help you and help your property come to life to get that sold to the perfect buyer, give us a call at Century 21. David Shelton, 605-906-8976.
All right, so if you want something extraordinary for your property, we can do this for you.